Can garlic or vitamin C cure coronavirus? No. Does the virus only infect old people? No. But we have all seen these or other false claims online or on social media. There is an increasing number of fake news about the coronavirus outbreak that are circulating, in particular online. It's a massive wave, breathing on the ground of uncertainty, anxiety, and the rapidly changing news cycle. I'm concerned that some of them can really harm people. For instance, the false claim that drinking bleach cures the virus. Drinking bleach can be deadly. I'm also worried that those behind these claims exploit people's fears about the virus just to make money by selling them very expensive soap, for example, that allegedly kills coronavirus germs. This needs to stop. We are working with online platforms and we encourage them to step up their action against disinformation on the coronavirus. The platforms are facilitating access to trustworthy sources, such as public health authorities, and they demote and even take down harmful content and exploitative or misleading ads. But more needs to be done. Social media companies need to share data with the fact-checking community so that together we dismantle these dangerous rumors. We will continue to monitor very closely action taken by the platforms. And we want to help you check the facts. We have launched a special section on our website on the coronavirus response, where you can find information and facts about some of these stories that you see. Trust your health authorities. Trust the World Health Organization. Trust reputable media with a track record of accuracy. Those spreading disinformation harm you. Disinformation can cost lives. But together, we can set the record straight.